Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, students. Now I'm going to talk about energy. So, energy is something we need in our daily life, which we use in our daily life. Whatever we do around us, whatever things we use, everything possesses energy. So, in that category, there are different types of energy which we are using around. So, the first energy we are going to see is about mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is nothing but an object when it moves from one place to another. The change of position is because of a mechanical energy. So, here I have a toy plane over here. You can see the toy plane, and this toy plane can move from one place to another. This is because of the mechanical energy it possesses. Okay, so there are two types of mechanical energy. One is kinetic, another one is potential energy. So what is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is possessed by the moving object. So here again I will see the toy plane. When the object is moving, I am going to push this car back. Now this toy is moving. So this is because of the kinetic energy. Next one is potential energy. Potential energy is something when the objects possess when it is at rest. So another time we'll see this toy. Now I'm going to push this toy backward. Now this when I push this backward, this possesses one kind of energy. Okay, so when I release, what happened to this toy? It is moving. So this is moving because of kinetic energy, and when I make it at rest by pulling it back, now it has full energy. So this energy is called potential energy, which is at rest now. Now this potential energy is released to kinetic energy. So this is the process of mechanical energy and divided into two. Next, it is wind energy. Wind, we know that fast moving air is called as wind, isn't it? So wind, because of which we get energy. When we can feel that when we stand, sometimes windows also close because of the fast moving air. Sometimes trees fall because of fast moving air, and by using this we can generate other types of energy. So this is called as wind energy. Now next is heat energy. Heat energy is otherwise called as thermal energy. Thermal energy, this happens when atoms and molecules inside an object vibrate because of the rise in temperature. So this is called as heat energy. Heat energy is produced inside the object because of rise in temperature, high temperature. And when, for example, if we boil a water, what will happen to the water? The water molecules, the atoms in the water molecules, they start vibrating and they start coming up, like bubbles, kind of bubbles, they come out. So this is the heat energy. Because of the heat energy, the water boils nicely and it dances, right? Next is light energy. So light energy, we know, we can see the sunlight. We know what kind of energy it is. Light energy. Sunlight gives light energy, because of which we can use many other things. Here, this is because of the photons. So light energy has photons which travel in the form of waves, light waves. So this kind of energy is called as light energy. Next one is electrical energy. We know that we use many objects in our house, like all kinds of electrical appliances, starting from fan, lights, everything we use electrical energy. This energy is possessed by atoms, in which this atoms has protons, electrons and neutrons, and these energy, when the electrons starts moving, this energy is formed. So electrical energy we use in various places. Next is chemical energy. Chemical energy happens because of the reaction between two chemicals. So that is the chemical energy.